Hey guys, this is CJ from 6sheet.com, and today I'm gonna show you how to remove duplicates from your data without using any formulas. And this approach works for all data and for all operating systems. As long as you have a browser, you can input your data and you will get the output immediately without doing any complicated calculations. So let's get started. First, go to www.6sheet.com/remove-duplicates. So this is the URL. And once you land on this page, you have the example input here that demonstrates the function with two kitten entries. And these are duplicates. Although they have different trait and they have different descriptions, the column A here, they are both kitten and they count as duplicate. So in the output, it selects the column A and it removes the second kitten entry that is in the input because it's a duplicate. So let's scroll down to see how you can configure this. Here you can configure to select the column that you want to check if there is duplicate or not, and then remove and filter the data based on this column or rows. If you select column B here, then obviously column B has no duplicate. The trait of the kitten 1 is fluffy, the trait of kitten 2 is loyal, so there is no duplicate and hence nothing is removed. Now let's use a more complicated example to demonstrate. Let's use this spreadsheet and paste this into the online tool. Now you have three types of animals. One is elephant, one is cheetah, and one is penguin. So these are duplicated. And although they have different attributes like speed, agility, or lifespan, if we select column A, where the duplicate appears, or in some cases is where the key is, then the output will always remove the duplicate and only give you the first entry that appears in the data. So here the elephant with 30 speed is the first one that appears, so this will be kept in the output data, and the cheetah with speed 15 is the first cheetah that appears in your data, and this will be kept as this, and the same goes for the penguin. So this is how you remove duplicate entries from your data. And if you want, you can download the data or copy here, go to your Excel and paste it directly here to continue edit them. Thanks for watching, and this is how you remove duplicate data.